like your look going on. You gotta just ignore me like that. I'm complimenting you.
I said thanks.
Okay, so it's like that, huh? You wanna play like that? We can play like that, no problem. Yeah, I did. Because I complimented you, you ignore me, but it's a nice, yeah, it's a nice wig though. I like it. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I help you with your groceries? I'm trying to. Ooh, hot Cheetos! Oh, yeah. Nah, I want hot Cheetos.
No, those are mine.
I know. Get her out of Wait, is that a wig on?
Yes, it is.
Oh, that's
So
nice.
what?
Oh, I didn't know it was a wig. Oh, shit. Hey, chill. Okay. I'll give it back. Take it back. Hey, that girl was weird. She was talking about, you don't eat my booty, so I don't want to date you anymore. Why would I even do that? I don't even do things like that. Like, I'm clean. You know what I mean? Like, it's just crazy to me. I think I dropped, like, a stack of money. Did you guys see it? No. Let me see your pockets, then.
Bro, I don't got nothing, bro. Like,
What about the other pocket?
what other pocket, man?
Oh, what's that behind? Gotcha, bitch. Give me that, man. You got caught. Come on, man. You can't prank a prankster. You the one who picked it up?
I sure did. I'm sorry.
You can't be doing that, man.
Bro, why you gonna do that, man?
No, I'm saying you can't be like taking my money like that.
Hey,
Hey, excuse me, y'all. I just want to see, like, I'm just trying to make new friends and stuff. Can I join your group? Why y'all like laughing at me? What's the problem? Why are you laughing at me?
Why you fuck us on us?
Why she keep laughing at me though?
What does it matter?
No, you keep laughing. Nah, that's some bullshit. Hey, Mr. Clown, how you doing? Hey, excuse me. Is that your boyfriend?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I know this is random, but I'll give you $30,000 if you break up with him right now.
What's going on over there?
Huh? Nothing.
What's going on over there? What you mean?
Nothing. I was just gonna give her money to break up with you.
And you gonna take it? That what you want? That what type of time y'all want? What y'all got?
How you gonna just do that to him like that?
So that's how you feel? 30,000? So you done with 30,000?
She gonna just do that? Oh, like that, huh? Yo, are you serious? You're cheating on me with this guy? Oh, now you gotta act like you don't know me. We were on a date last week. I took you to a steakhouse. I bought you new shoes. And now you're gonna cheat on me with him? Bro, do you know what's going on here?
I know you. Don't believe that shit.
Now you gotta act like you don't know me.
I do not know you.
We went out last week.
What's my name?
You were at my house and everything.
At your house.
Yes.
House.
You don't know what's going on with her?
Now he really finna beat you up. You better start telling the truth.
Listen. I know everything about you.
No, you
I know that you
about
wear wigs. What's up, guys? Savage Sean here. Today, I'm gonna be throwing water balloons at people. This guy really smoking his cigarette? Hey. You do not smoke cigarettes around Savage Sean. Oh no, I was just looking at the weather. Oh, smoke cigarettes, bro! What are you doing? What are you looking at, dude? Oh man, I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. I wash it off, bro. I wash it off. Ah! It's Did you guys order the balloons? That's how you do it.
Just take a picture.
Take a picture. Let's get this guy. What's going on, bro?
Oh,
What's up?
shit.
Hey, man.
Good, man.
Hey, look, man. I just want to come here, squash the beef. I know I smacked your drink last time, but
It's all good, man.
you know, I just want to squash
How'd
the
you
beef.
get in here?
Oh, I went to the back.
Oh,
Yeah. But we good though. No hard feelings.
good,
Like,
bro. We so
yeah,
good,
it was just a prank, you know.
so good, man.
Yeah, I just joke around. Yeah.
all right, bro. I'm working out, man.
All right, bro. Yeah, take
you,
it
man.
easy, man. Yeah, good to
Bye.
see. Yeah, you too. No, I still got the pranks in me, baby. Oh. Can't catch me, baby. Hey, we gotta order up the cream pie sundae. Oh shit! Oh shit! Yo, bro.
What's up?
Did you see that?
The water balloon, right?
Yeah, the guy like literally right over there, he threw it at you and he like ran. I think he ran that way.
Which way?
But I think he's over there, yeah.
Which way?
But hold on. I don't know if he's there for sure.
Did you see him?
Yeah, I saw him. He did that. Oh, what's up? What you want to do? What's up? Let's go. Happy birthday! Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh, you fucking.
Oh, I thought you were my friend.
I know you
No, I
fucking-
thought.
Oh, my God.
You wicked. What happened? Oh. I'm sorry. I thought you were my friend. Oh, she's on the phone. Let's see. Who's she calling? Who are you calling? Hey, I thought you were my friend. I'm sorry. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's for you too. It was a prank. Damn, she thick, bro. She thick as hell.
Yeah, I know, bro. I'm saying.
She
Shorty
thick,
fat as
shorty
shit.
thick. Hey, chill.
Bro,
I need you to relax, bro. I need you to relax, bro. I just need you to relax. You're acting crazy right now. Just relax.
You just tucked me to a chair, bro. What are you
Because I want to
doing?
surprise you.
Surprise me with
They
what,
told
bro?
me. They told me it was your. They told me it was your
It's not
birthday.
my birthday, bro.
Bro, they told me it was your birthday.
bro?
It's your birthday. Happy